Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how you can register with us for our event named BuildX. So this is the home page as you can see, and now you are going to click on apply now. And as you can see, the builder base page has opened. Now I click on accept, and since I'm doing it for the first time, so I'll click on register. Then I need to set up my account, so I'll click on sign up and I'll provide my email address. Click on continue, and then they ask you how do you want to use Buildathon. So Buildathon you are going to click on as a participant, then you are going to fill in your credentials. Say I write my name. Once this is set up, your account will be created successfully. Now since say for example you are the admin, so you are going to click on register, then you are going to click on use my squad and click create. So you are going to give a team name, say build X hacks. So you click on create team, then you click on next, then you click I accept the terms and conditions, then you click next. Now as you can see in this form I need to fill up my details, so fill it up. And you need to give your LinkedIn profile, your GitHub profile, you can write your bio, and what best describes you. Are you a student, are you a working professional, are you a freelancer? So I'm choosing student. Do you already have an idea, or are you looking for one? So you can choose the options. In this case I'm clicking on yes. Are you looking for teammates? Yes. Are you comfortable in building in public? I'm clicking on yes. Where did you hear about BuildX? So you can choose the particular platform from where you have heard about BuildX. In this case I'm choosing Instagram and WhatsApp. Then you need to put in your current location, which is Kolkata, India. That is perfectly fine for me. I don't have any referral code right now, so and this Google form I need to fill it up. So let me copy it, and I need to open it here. As you can see, this is a GitHub form which you need to fill it up in order to complete your registration. So I'm recording this email ID. I need to paste my GitHub profile link. I need to paste it here. Then they are asking me to start this repository. Start the repository. And then I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And here I need to add the file. Yeah, so as you can see, this form is filled up. Now I need to click on submit, and the form will be submitted. So after filling up the form, you need to click this checkbox and this one as well, and you need to submit your application. Once this is done, you can go to the track, and you need to go to the team page since you are a member of the team BuildX Hacks, right? So you need to go here, and you are the leader, so you can admit a maximum of 4 members apart from you. So the team strength can be 5 maximum, or you can apply as a solo participant as well. In order to invite people, you can click from here and invite. So you see my name has appeared and an invitation has been sent. Now I need to refresh this page. You see a team invitation has come. First you need to register. You click on the second option, that is looking for a team, and you accept the terms and conditions. Then in the similar fashion, you need to fill up the form. You need to fill up the Google form. You need to cross this, and you can go to your inbox and you can click on accept. Now, once the registration is completed and your team members have entered your team, after this, this is the page where you can see the team members. And if you have any queries, you can request help by clicking this button, or you can reach out us on our Discord server. We'll be glad to help you. Until then, keep building and have a nice day. Thank you.